If you visit the Netherlands, you have to visit Bourtange.
We drove all the way from Utrecht to the far northeast of the Netherlands, close to the German border. Not because it was on the way, but because we wanted to explore a piece of history. Far away from highways and big cities, there's a place that was built for war, but has mostly known silence. This is where history decided to stay quiet. We always love to explore historic regions like this here in Groningen. This is called Bourtange. And what is Bourtange actually?
Bourtange was a very important place during the 80 Years' War. It was built in 1580 because of the Spanish army to protect our country.
Yeah, it was a border town between Germany and the eastern part of Groningen, and there was a major road here leading towards the city of Groningen, and to protect the city that was the perfect location here to place this fortress.
So let's discover this place.
Everything here breathes history. It's fantastic.
It's very impressive.
Last summer I stood inside a star fortress on the other side of the world, in Hakodate, Japan. Massive, impressive, a place that instantly made sense on camera, but I'd never visited one this close to home. And standing here now, I realize something. You don't always need to cross oceans to feel wonder. Sometimes it's been waiting right here. It's a beautiful example of an old Dutch windmill. Life inside the fortress doesn't stop. Even when war is close, people still need food, warmth and rhythm. This windmill wasn't decoration, it was survival. What makes this place even more surreal, people still live here. Inside walls once built for soldiers, now raising families.
You're a very lucky man if you live here in this historic place, I think.
Would you like to live here yourself?
There are no shops or something. It's a very quiet place. So I don't know.
I'm also not sure. It's beautiful, but it's also a little bit touristy.
It's hard to come here because it's in the middle of in the middle of nowhere. I came here from Utrecht, and I have made the cross to Germany to come here.
Look at the bridge. All these bridges and entrances had their purpose here, to slow you down and to make you think. In a fortress like this, nothing is random.
So Robin, look over there. You see 5 cannons.
Yes, I see them.
Yes?
It's very cool.
Yes. Do you think it's original?
I guess they are.
Wow.
It must be.
Look at those big things.
Huge, huh?
Huge shit. Wow. You can look inside. Yes, it was necessary.
When Bourtange was built, it was not a peaceful time. The Netherlands was in the middle of the 80 Years' War, a long and brutal struggle against Spanish rule. After withstanding 2 major attacks, this fortress had proven its point. It was never seriously attacked again. Not because the world had become peaceful, but because everyone understood what it would take to get through here. Standing here today, it feels strangely familiar. Across Europe, the idea of deterrence is no longer history. With war unfolding in Ukraine and rising tension with Russia, we are reminded that strength isn't always about destruction. Sometimes you prepare for war so it never has to happen. Just like here. This place was built for war, yet its greatest legacy is peace. You don't always need to cross the world to understand it. Sometimes, history is waiting closer than you think. So this was our video about Bourtange, and of course we hope you liked it.
Yes, it is a historic place and a very unique place in the Netherlands. So if you want to see more of this,
Then consider subscribing, and we might see you in the future. Bye bye.
goodbye.